Okay, I want to show you guys how to add cubes or make cubes on Photoshop. So it's predominantly understood that when you go to Photoshop, you're only working with pictures. So here I want to show you if maybe you want to design something like to wrap a box or to do a cover for your champagne bottle and stuff like that, like how to go about do that. So this is what you do. You go on your Photoshop. I've already opened it for convenience sake. Then you add your picture. I'll just add my logo, the logo of my company. When it's there, you go to 3D. You select the layer. You go to 3D. Then you just go here. So here it depends on what you want to do. So if you want to do, it's either a cube or a syringe or a donut or whatever, pyramid and so forth. So here I want to do, let's just do a cube wrap. Go here and then you go to create. Then your cube wrap will be created. And after that, if you want to see or if you want to check, you can just go and turn it around, and you can see your cube is made now. And you can just turn it around so you can see all the sides of your cube. So this is created on a transparent background, so that when I take this box and put it somewhere, say I'm doing a t-shirt, so just take this box and put it on a t-shirt. It won't appear with a colored background like white, black or whatsoever. It will just appear as a box. So you can either export as a PNG file, then you name it. Maybe you just say it's a logo, and then you save it. So when you save it, it's gonna be there. Or you just save the item on your computer as a logo. You just go and save it. I like to save it here. You change save as type and do it a JPEG or JPG, so that when I want to do something else, it's gonna come right. So it's gonna appear like a picture. So yeah, this is how you do your cube wrap. So it's the same thing, same applies when you want to do something else. Whether you want to do a syringe, a cylinder, or whatever. I'll just go and do another one. I'll just go to a new. So you can see here, you first select transparent. But if you want a different background, then you can see it's white, black background, or you just customize it. When you customize it, you can choose any color. So again, here you just click here. So if it's like this, it's transparent. Then you go to your layer. Then you add a picture. Say I want to add another picture, not the same picture. I'm sorry for those with their pictures that are here, because now they just appear on the first side, so I can't hide them. But let me try and see if I can get any other picture. So this is my bra here. This is one of my bras that I took a photo of. Okay, so I'm trying to select something that's not gonna cause a backlash, because now, you know, if you're working with pictures, you have to be sensitive. Okay, I've got some kids here. Let me just pick one of these pictures. I'll just put it there. You just click and drop. Okay, no. Okay, if you want to do something like this, and if you want to add the logo here, you just go and add a logo. Let's say you just want to add a logo, or just add a logo here. So minimize it. So this is this place here is a transparent place, and this side is transparent. So I just want to put it on the picture. You just drop it here, and then this is part of the picture. I don't want it to appear different from this. So what I'll do is I'll just blend it. I'll just blend this picture. You go to blending options. When you get to blending options, look at what is going to happen here. What will happen here? I'll just go here, and then I'll just blend it. You see, I'll just blend it. Then it's got a transparent background as well. I'll just go okay. So now this logo is directly on the picture, and it's blending with the picture. So when you want to do this now, just select both layers, the first layer and the second layer. First layer is the picture, the second layer is the logo. So you just select both because you want both of them to be on whatever you want to do here. Let me just do the cylinder. Just do the cylinder, then you just go to create. Then the cylinder will be created. There is my logo here on top. I'm not sure if it's gonna be clear, but there is a logo. Let me change it this way. That is gonna be a bit clearer. There's the picture here. There's the picture here. Where is the picture is? There's a picture, and then the logo is here on the other side. When it's like this, then you know your cylinder is there. Then you can just go and save it. It's either you save it here, or just go and save it as a PNG. You just export it as a PNG, and you save it as a cylinder. Is it? It's a cylinder. Just save. Another option is the same option I showed before. You just go here, then you save, or you save as. It's up to you. So that you just go file save, or you save as. So if you save here, you save it on the computer. You just go cylinder again. Cylinder. Then it's saved. So you change here to put it as a JPEG so that you can be able to work it as a picture. Then here it doesn't matter, but it's about the size, then whatever. Then you save. Then it's saved on transparent background. What is meant by transparent background? You see, when you go to where it's saved, and then you take it and drop it somewhere. For interest's sake, I'd like to do one. I'm not sure if I've got enough time here, but let me try and do it, because it's taken some time now to do this thing. Okay, let me try and do one, just one, and show you where this thing is saved. You see, when you go here, you go to save as, you go to save, then it will show you here. It's gonna show you it's on save here on temp. Then when you want to open, you can just close this, and then you just go to your computer. You go to your drive, then you go to your user here. This is my user, this is that data, it's local, and then you go to your temp here. Then all the files are there. Then you scroll down, then you can see where it says it's either the logo or this one. So let me just take the logo. So this is how it appears when you open it. As I told you, the background will be clear. So if it's like this and you want to put it somewhere, say here you've got what can I do here with that? Okay, I'll just add a new layer here just to show you. Then I'll make this layer, I'll make this new page. Let me, okay, let's go file, let's go new. Let's just change it and make it white or custom. So I'll just pick a color. All right, and I'll just create something. Then when you take this and drop it here, you can see it's white. Then you go to opacity. Opacity will make the difference. Opacity will make the difference. So this is a white background. So to do this, if you want this to be on the red background, what you will do is you'll just blend it, highlight it, then you just go to blending options, and then you get to blending options, and here you eliminate the color. Where is this thing? You eliminate the color like that, then you just blend it. This is how you just eliminate it here, and you just blend it, and you have to blend it proper. Make sure you're not overdoing it. So I'll apologize for my pictures. It's a bit dark. It's a bit dark, but you know, it's something that you can just work with. It's not a rocket science to fix this thing. You can just edit easily, and then it's white. It's just clear. But typically, this is what I wanted to show you. Yeah. So same thing here. You can change this, or you can change this as well, or you can even change the size. If you want to change the size, you stretch it, you drop it. If you want to move it, you can move it. If you want to turn it around, it's up to you. If you want to turn it, you can turn it. If you want to turn it this way, you can also turn it. This is how you turn it. So, yeah. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. I think that's what I wanted to show you. This is basically what I wanted to show you, and I hope this was of value to you, and you managed to grasp something. By the way, this is the same software they use to do your posters and everything. So I'm not enough paid to do this by Photoshop. I'm just doing it, you know, for fun, because I do work with Photoshop. There are other programs like you see it's a Photoshop Premiere for editing videos, and you know, they're quite nice softwares to work with. So if you like this video, I would like to have your thumbs up. You can like, share, and subscribe to my channel to show that you support, you know, and you appreciate what you're doing on the channel. So that's all I wanted to say to you. Yeah, okay. So see you when we do another video. Hopefully it's gonna be soon enough before you forget what you've been doing on this one. So yeah, guys, I hope this class will help you, you know, with something, and you'll be able to do your projects here. Yeah, because that's all we want to do, is just to share the information, to share the knowledge, hoping that we get somewhere. Yeah, okay. See you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, go to my other accounts on all the social network platforms we are available. Thank you very much.